Families gather in the park, setting out blankets on the lawn, waiting for sunlight to fade. The youngest ones begin to yawn. Anticipation grows as the hour draws near for the fireworks to appear. The youngsters wrestle with their fathers. One boy duels with the glow stick with his brother. The sound of faint explosions, could it be the first of many? Then suddenly, whoosh! Suddenly, whoosh! The sound of rockets, three lumps together. Explosion of streaks, each one unique. It's pastel smokes on a tether. In unison, ooh, in unison, ah, the crowd grows, it wows. In unison, ooh, in unison, ah, the crowd grows, it wows. As the firework bursts, with the first that's seen and the thirst is loud. By the glow of the sparkle, city buildings silhouette, a few babies are scared and cower with the family pet. Soon there's a finale. A fanfare orchestrated, a dozen futuristic flowers in one bouquet, concentrated. Who cares the expense of public funds down on the smoke? Firework festivity, rainbow